The Legacy Faculty and Administrator Award honors those whose dedication to teaching, leadership, and student development has created a lasting impact that continues well beyond the classroom.
Dr. Chris Mruk is a highly regarded and multi-talented faculty member who has been integral to the academic landscape at BGSU Firelands for more than 30 years. His 3 C's of teaching are simple: commitment, care, and creativity.
What matters to me most about coming to Firelands and being at Firelands is that it provided a sense of community and connection that I didn't even know I was looking for. My background before coming to Firelands was that of a clinical psychologist, and I did a lot of work helping people try to build better lives for themselves. Well, I found the same thing at Firelands, but in a different way. The kind of education and connection we provide for students helps them build better lives, and that's been very gratifying. Part of my duties at Firelands involved directing what's called the Human Services Program, which is an entry-level kind of program training students to offer basic human services at counseling centers, hospital settings, various agencies and facilities, and so on. It's really hard to say, describe and share what it feels like when you learn that one of your students ended up not only getting a PhD in your field, but actually writes books in it. That kind of sense of contributing to an individual life and the profession directly and indirectly is very gratifying. In terms of what idea defines the legacy of my work, it reminds me of a book I once read by a famous therapist. And the title of the book was "My Voice Will Go With You." And what he was trying to say with that is that in his work with clients, he was hoping to offer them something that would help them not just with immediate situations, but for a long time to come in their lives. And being able to have an impact through my teaching at Firelands and the books that Firelands has given me an opportunity to write, I have in a sense hoped that in some way my voice will go with you too. And I can't think of a better way of doing that than teaching and writing. I think I can sum it up more succinctly by saying, we came here by accident, we stayed here by choice. Fireland has simply been a blessing.
So when I started at Firelands, I was a non-traditional student in my 30s, looking for some type of pathway, purpose, meaning, identity, and started taking different psychology courses, found myself in one of Dr. Mruk's courses. I can say from day one, his teaching style really spoke to me. It was one that challenged you to be a critical thinker rather than someone who just regurgitates information. He was more interested in you knowing where to find the answer rather than you having to memorize a lot of facts and figures. That spoke to me because in my personal life, I found that curiosity and generally being a student of life serves you much better and further than even if I can come in thinking that I know everything about everything. Dr. Mruk's humility, but his mastery of the material and his ability to show me that it could be practically applied, mixed with his personal experience, really made mental health, wellness, psychology come to life for me. It inspired me to want to build my entire career in that industry. It's led me to many wonderful places where I was able to work for a hospital system as a case manager. I've been able to do assessments. I've been able to do business development and mental health care now. And this is all directly related to Dr. Mruk, as he inspired me to continue to ask questions, to be curious. I learned that one can be open to what life has to offer you.
Through his teaching, mentorship, and scholarship, Dr. Christopher Mruk has shaped generations of students and continues to influence the field and the communities they serve.